Today we're giving this landscape a complete refresh. We'll be trimming, cleaning up overgrown beds, installing new shrubs, and finishing everything off with 4 tons of rubber mulch. Let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We got Nate here, Luke's on vacation. So we've got a pretty big job today. We're putting in new plants, new mulch, lighting, and we're trimming up these big old bushes back here. So stay tuned and we'll see you in a minute. You know what I think's funny, Nate?
What's that?
It's the hottest day we've had this year, and probably one of the biggest jobs that we've had. And Luke's somewhere off on some beach just bumming it out.
Oh, well, all the other workers are out there working right now. I'm over here enjoying my nice view, sitting here on the beach. Not on the beach right now, but I'm fishing. Pretty awesome. I'm just glad I'm not in Tuttle's and Nate's position right now.
Yeah, he's a bum. He's actually a blister. He shows up after everything's done.
Thanks, Luke. Thanks for ditching us.
I hope you get sunburnt.
All right, so it's the next day, and me and Nate have come over to our job that we finished up earlier in the week, and we're going to get the tractor, bring it over here because there's a few things that we need to get cleaned up. It will be easier than hand shoveling each portion into the trailer or running a wheelbarrow up the ramps. So we've got a rock bed in the back. We can get the rock out of it. All the dirt that we did from edging the beds needs to come up. And then I've brought my ladder to get a few of the taller bushes that I couldn't reach yesterday. And after that, we should be ready for mulch and plants and new lights. So we'll see you in a minute. All right, so we're back. I got Vinny with me. We brought some extra help. We're gonna get the plants put in and get the lights, and then unfortunately they want rubber mulch, and we can't get any until next week. So we won't be able to finish the job fully until next week, but we'll at least get the plants in, get everything papered, and then get the lights in. So that's what we're doing today.
Luke's at the beach.
And Luke's still at the beach, so. Nate, how many shovels have you broken in your tenure at Lawnworks?
4 or 5. At least one a summer.
At least one a summer.
You ain't breaking, you ain't doing the job.
Nate takes equipment to the absolute limit.
Yeah.
Now, go straight all the way to the end right there.
All right, so we got everything papered. The boys are going to be in the back working on this little extra piece that he had asked us to do. So they're going to paper that and move the rock that's in the back to there, and then we got a paper underneath where the rock was at, put mulch down. But in the meantime, while the boys are doing that, I'm going to be putting lights in, and then we should be finished until we get the mulch delivery.
What's up guys, Sam and Aiden here. I know you've been seeing Tyler and Nate landscape the last few days. But you know, that gets a little boring, monotonous, the same thing. So we thought we'd take you with you today with us because we stole the camera.
Yeah, I stole it last night.
I'm gonna show you all why mowing is better than landscaping. Right here, guys. Right here. You get an Aiden POV. Right here, guys. Right here, guys. Oh, I put the thing on backwards. Uno momento.
Alright, I ran out of gas trying to weed eat. Came to fuel back up and we're out of weed eater gas. So I called Tyler, he's gonna bring us some. I'm gonna go ahead and get mowing. I'm halfway done with the weed eating anyway, so I'll show you some straps.
Where have you been, Luke? We've been waiting on you for an hour.
Is that right?
That's right.
Is that right?
That's
I
right.
think it's the other way around.
Actually, we've been waiting on you all week. Where you been?
Been a little sick.
All right, so we're back. It's been a week since we were here last, and the mulch is supposed to be delivered today between 11 and 3. So we've got a few
more tattoos than the Mona Lisa.
we got a few more things to get done here. Finishing up raking in the back the rock, and then papering a few little spots, and then we're waiting on mulch. So I finally got my camera back, by the way. The boys decided they were gonna steal it. All right, we'll see you in a minute.
Let's stash it out. What we got to do back here?
Oh, look at their pull open. We got to paper. Well, that's fine. That needs to be finished papering, and then we got to clean up the rock over there.
Come over this door
I got no. That's not cool. No, please. No, I'm not gonna. No, I gotta try to defend myself.
It's Aiden's birthday, so
I gotta try to defend myself.
gotta try.
Yeah.
You gotta try.
Yeah, I gotta. No, please. Come on. Come on. Come on, Big Papa. Come on, Big Papa.
Clash of the Titans.
What was that you were saying, though?
Hmm?
What was you saying? Total $50 and I'll clean your whole truck.
Look, I've already cleaned my truck and washed it.
You have took the shit out of here.
Yeah, and I
You have not cleaned it! Oh, no.
What are we doing right now? Explain the camera.
We are waiting on frigging mulch to get here. Huddle Park is in a tree. I'm gonna have ticks on me. So, yeah. All this is done. We transplanted a couple of these daylilies just to make the bed look a little bit fuller. There is paper literally everywhere. Right here. Put these stepping stones in to get to their HVAC thing. There was a whole bunch of rock back here that they're replacing with the mulch. But now it's back here. We dug it all up and wheelbarrowed it over here. So this guy had a place to store his dry firewood. There's gonna be mulch there. And all that rock we dug out came from out of these two flower beds with this magnolia we trimmed. So there's gonna be mulch here. Where there was rock, we mulch there, and there. We really don't need to forget that ladder.
All right, so yesterday, the mulch didn't get here till 5 o'clock. So we didn't actually get to do anything yesterday other than a few little prep things that Nate showed you. And also, we got a few other little things done. So today, Nate's spreading the mulch. We got the first half of the bed, front of the bed, bags put down. And Nate's gonna go ahead of me and keep placing the bags, and I'm gonna start spreading. So let's see what we can do. All right, so Nate's packing all the mulch for me with the tractor around to the back, and I am going around and cutting the bags, spreading it, and then raking it smooth. I measured it out at 1,100 square feet, and we needed, I wanted to do 3 inches worth, so that came out to 4 pallets at 75 cubic feet per pallet. So it's quite a bit of mulch, but we're working on through it, and we'll show you as we go. All right, Luke showed up and we was able to get it done. So let's look at the before and afters. If you've watched it all the way to the end, and you haven't already, consider subscribing to follow along with everything we've got coming up here at Lawnworks. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.